Welcome back to Car Explorer. Today we're diving into one of the most futuristic people movers ever imagined, the 2027 Volkswagen luxury minibus concept. This concept takes the traditional minibus idea and transforms it into a luxury electric lounge on wheels. It blends futuristic styling, advanced technology, premium comfort, and sustainable performance into one stunning package that could completely redefine luxury family and executive transportation in the future. The first thing that grabs your attention is the dramatic exterior design. Volkswagen has moved far beyond the classic van shape and created something that feels more like a rolling luxury spacecraft. The front fascia is incredibly smooth and aerodynamic, featuring a fully illuminated LED light bar stretching across the width of the vehicle. The glowing Volkswagen badge sits proudly in the center, giving the concept a clean and futuristic identity. The headlights are ultra-slim and integrated seamlessly into the bodywork. Instead of aggressive styling, the front design focuses on elegance and sophistication. The lower bumper area uses intelligent air channels and active aerodynamic elements to improve airflow while maintaining a premium appearance. Every line on the body has a purpose, making the minibus look sleek despite its large dimensions. From the side profile, the vehicle looks absolutely massive yet surprisingly elegant. The long wheelbase creates an executive limousine vibe while still maintaining the practical proportions of a minibus. The flush door handles, frameless windows, and camera-based side mirrors contribute to the futuristic design language. Large turbine-inspired alloy wheels give the concept a bold luxury presence while also improving aerodynamic efficiency. One of the standout features is the enormous panoramic glass roof that stretches nearly from front to rear. This creates an open and airy atmosphere inside while giving passengers a stunning view of the sky above. The roof also features integrated solar charging technology that can help power auxiliary systems and increase driving efficiency. The rear design is equally futuristic. A full-width LED taillight signature gives the minibus a high-tech identity at night. The rear glass is deeply sculpted, and the smooth surfaces continue the minimalist design philosophy. Instead of traditional exhaust outlets, the rear bumper features aerodynamic detailing that emphasizes its fully electric nature. Volkswagen has clearly designed this concept with luxury transportation in mind. Whether it's for VIP travel, premium ride-sharing services, luxury family transport, or futuristic hotel shuttles, the 2027 luxury minibus concept looks ready for every scenario. Stepping inside, the interior feels more like a first-class airport lounge than a traditional vehicle cabin. Volkswagen has focused heavily on space, comfort, and digital innovation. The flat electric platform allows for an extremely spacious cabin with no transmission tunnel or mechanical clutter. Passengers can move around freely, making the interior feel incredibly open. The seats are wrapped in sustainable premium materials with advanced cushioning and adaptive comfort technology. The second-row captain chairs can recline deeply and include heating, cooling, and massage functions. Some versions of the concept even feature rotating seats that can create a lounge-style conversation area during autonomous driving modes. Ambient lighting flows throughout the cabin, creating a calming atmosphere at night. The lighting system can adjust colors depending on mood, driving mode, or passenger preference. Soft-touch materials, natural wood accents, recycled metallic trim, and futuristic digital interfaces give the interior an ultra-premium experience. The dashboard design is minimal yet highly advanced. A floating panoramic display stretches across the front, integrating digital instrumentation, navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls into one seamless system. Voice commands powered by next-generation AI allow passengers to control climate settings, entertainment, lighting, and navigation naturally through conversation. Rear passengers also get their own entertainment screens and wireless connectivity options. High-speed internet access, integrated productivity tools, and immersive audio systems turn the minibus into a mobile office or relaxation lounge depending on the situation. One of the most futuristic elements is the autonomous driving capability. Volkswagen envisions this concept with advanced self-driving technology that could allow hands-free travel on highways and in urban environments. During autonomous mode, the steering wheel can retract partially into the dashboard, giving the cabin an even more open feel. Storage practicality has not been forgotten either. Despite its luxury focus, the minibus offers impressive cargo flexibility. Rear seating configurations can be adjusted to maximize luggage space, making it ideal for long-distance travel, airport transportation, or premium family road trips. Now let's talk about performance. The 2027 Volkswagen luxury minibus concept is expected to ride on Volkswagen's next-generation electric vehicle architecture. Dual electric motors are likely to provide all-wheel drive capability along with smooth and instant acceleration. Volkswagen could target a combined power output of around 500 horsepower, which would be extremely impressive for a luxury minibus of this size. Instant electric torque would allow the vehicle to accelerate effortlessly while maintaining whisper-quiet refinement. Unlike traditional vans, this concept focuses heavily on smoothness and comfort rather than sporty aggression. The advanced battery pack is expected to deliver a driving range of approximately 450 to 500 miles on a full charge. Ultra-fast charging technology may allow the battery to recharge from 10 to 80% in under 20 minutes, making long-distance travel far more practical. The suspension system is another highlight. Adaptive air suspension combined with predictive road scanning technology would allow the minibus to glide smoothly over rough roads while keeping passengers comfortable at all times. Rear-wheel steering could also improve maneuverability in tight city environments despite the vehicle's large dimensions. Volkswagen is also expected to integrate advanced safety technology including 360-degree monitoring systems, collision avoidance assistance, intelligent pedestrian detection, automated parking, and next-generation driver assistance features. The vehicle could even communicate with smart city infrastructure to improve traffic efficiency and safety. What makes this concept especially exciting is its vision for the future of transportation. It's not just about moving passengers from one place to another. It's about transforming travel into an experience filled with luxury, relaxation, connectivity, and sustainability. The 2027 Volkswagen luxury minibus concept represents a bold new direction for premium mobility. It combines futuristic styling, cutting-edge electric performance, advanced autonomous technology, and luxury comfort in a way that feels both innovative and realistic for the next generation of transportation. Thanks for watching Car Explorer. If you enjoyed this look at the futuristic 2027 Volkswagen luxury minibus concept, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest concept cars, luxury vehicles, and future mobility innovations. Let us know in the comments if you would love to travel in a luxury electric minibus like this, and we'll see you in the next video.